Hi friends, my name is T Dheeraj Reddy and today I will show you how to download Android P in your smartphone. So friends, let's get started. So firstly friends, we go to the Chrome browser and then type android.com/beta and enter. Android P is not for all smartphones. See these eligibilities of smartphones. Essentials phone, Qualcomm 835 processor, 4 GB RAM, storage 125 GB. And then some devices are eligible for like Google Pixel and Google Pixel XL, Nokia, and see these friends more, of course, Sony Xperia 720, Vivo X21, Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S. If your phone is eligible this, so press on get the beta here. After that, sign in your Google account and press on view your eligible devices, and then scroll down and press on open in. After that, go to your phone settings and then go to about phone and then press on software update or check for updates, and then download your Android P beta version. So thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you friends.